What's cooking, filet minions? This your host, Chef James, and welcome to Weez Be Cooking. Did you guys miss me? Because I sure did miss you. I feel like I've been gone forever, man, since I've done this. And with that being said, I've also decided to name this segment Take That Recipe, where we take that recipe and copy it down to a T. And then after that, I'll tell you guys what I think about it. So also be on the lookout for the Wednesday review of the recipes that I do. And I'm sorry that I'm not doing this on Saturday and this is getting posted up so late again. I've had a lot of trouble with my phones and storage, and the cameras wasn't acting right with the rotation. So I finally got everything fixed and got everything going and everything smooth. So now we're back to recording Weez Be Cooking because I know you guys been wanting to see it. Anyways, let's get to the recipe. So today's recipe actually is something simple that I want to do for you guys because I did have another idea in mind, but I don't have the tools for it. And with the pancakes, I'm not going through that again. I'm not doing that. So with that being said, I do have something that's really simple. Well, I'll say it's simple, but we'll see how simple it actually is because I will be the one to mess it up, even though it's just like a few things. So like I said, it's really kid friendly, and I think it'll be fun for you guys to do with your kids if you have kids or your family or your partner or whatever the case may be. What it is, it's pizza stuffed breadsticks, and I found this recipe on Yummly. Again, Yummly is a great recipe app. So anyways, without further ado, let's get to the recipe checkoff list. This recipe is quite easy. Again, I don't like saying that it's easy, but it seems like it's gonna be pretty simple. However, before we do the checkoff list, I'm also gonna be doing some wings because it's Monday night. Monday night football game's about to come on. The only difference is I'm gonna be roasting them. I usually grill these wings. Since I'm at an apartment, I'm gonna be roasting them instead of grilling them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be making my own sauce that I've been working on for a little while, about a year, a little over a year now, tweaking it, doing different things to try to really get it to where I want it. I've not gotten it perfect yet, so I'm gonna be doing another tweak tonight to that, and then I'm gonna be showcasing the recipe to you guys, and then giving you guys the recipe in the description below, and maybe you guys can try to make it and tell me what you guys think about it. I would really appreciate that. So once you guys watch this video, make sure you check out the description and get the recipe for the sauce. I will be leaving that for you guys. I mean, I feel like it's my own original recipe. Probably not, you know. It's hard to be original in the food world now because it's so many creative people. I get kind of jealous. However, anyways, let's get to the recipe checkoff list. Once again, I got off subject. Again, this recipe is really simple. It's 4 ingredients. That's why I really think it's kid friendly. You don't have to do any cutting, anything like that. So the first thing that I'm gonna need on the list, I'm gonna need Pillsbury Doughboy pizza crust. I don't think you call it Pillsbury Doughboy. Pillsbury pizza crust.
Check.
All right, the second thing that I'm gonna need on the list is pepperonis because you gotta have some kind of filling. Otherwise, it would just be cheese sticks. But why do they always fill it with pepperoni? Why can't it be like sausage? You know, like a supreme stuffed. Ooh, a supreme stuffed breadstick. I mean, I think that would be good. What about the vegans? You know, what about the vegans? The vegans need love too, right? I mean, come on. They don't even watch my channel probably. I am gonna get to some vegan stuff. However, yes, second thing I need on the list is pepperonis.
Check.
All right, the third thing on the list, again, like I told you guys before, when I made, what did I even make? I don't even remember what I made, but something with pizza. Oh yeah, the pizza nachos. So the next thing that you're gonna need is cheese because you cannot have pizza without cheese. Come on. It's just, I've never seen somebody say, hey, I need a pizza, everything on it, but leave off the cheese. Just, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen at all. So, yes, I'm gonna need mozzarella cheese sticks. And then the last thing that I'm gonna need is,
check.
all right, so I lied. It's only 3 ingredients. Makes it even easier. So, but I do need butter, but that's not really an ingredient for the pizza breadsticks. It's actually just gonna be used to brush across the breadsticks, so I do not consider that an ingredient because it's not going into it. It's just used as a base for baking the bread, so I don't really consider that an ingredient. So without further ado, let's get this thing started, man, because I'm hungry and I'm excited. Plus, I need to showcase my wings to you guys. But with the wings, I'm not gonna do a recipe checkoff list because that is not part of Take That recipe. However, I am gonna be showing you guys the ingredients as I go. So just stay tuned. After we get done with the breadsticks, I'll get to the wings and then we'll get this feast started, man. Let's go. That rolling process was a lot more difficult than it seemed. I would suggest make sure you lay it out on something even and flat where you can cut it very, very good, because I did not cut it too evenly. So there were some had way too much dough, and then other ones didn't have enough dough to roll over the cheese. However, it's still an easy process, and like I said, you guys will enjoy it with your kids. But now I'm gonna go ahead and brush the butter on these things, and then go ahead and get them in the oven so I can get the wings started. All right, guys, I think they're about done. They look like it. Plus, they still got to cool, and that Big Mama Jamma is really huge, man. That was a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Look at that goodness. Professional breadstick maker now. I do say so myself. Well, okay. This one kind of busted, but still edible. It's still edible, so I don't care. But anyways, yes, this is the showcase, guys. Now that these are done, I'm going to let these cool off because I'm going to snack on probably 2 of them. So, yeah, let me go ahead and get these wings started for you guys. Alright guys, man, that was a pretty long process since the wings took a long time. However, the breadsticks turned out good. Actually, the wings look amazing. I have not tasted them yet. I'm not gonna go to my couch and do a taste test with you guys, but I am gonna try one right here just because, I don't know why. But let's get saucy. Man, it's good, but not like usual. I did tweak it a little bit. It's also a little better whenever the wings are grilled. I don't know why, I just think this sauce really tastes better on grilled wings than roasted wings. It's still good. I'm gonna have to still play with it. I'll show you guys the next time I play it. That doesn't sound right. I'll show you guys the next time I do it. Anyways, everything, man, tasted all right. This was not the best cook. Little rusty coming back. Not really that I'm rusty, just the recipes were not that great. They were good, just not great. However, anyway, it's still good. I'm about to eat, watch the game, go whoever's playing, because I really don't know. Don't care, I just like football. I'm glad you guys are watching my channel. I'm glad to be back to take that recipe. This is the first official episode with the name. So anyways, yeah, man, I'm about to get ready to eat. I'm about to go. So anyways, thank you for watching my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up for a like. And if you guys are already subscribed, thank you again. It means a lot. I appreciate it. However, I gotta go. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Weeze out.